Welcome to the EyeToy Antigrav training grounds. Here you'll learn how to steer your hoverboard, how to grind rails, and how to fly through the air. This is your tracker. It shows you where your face and hands are. Watch the tracker respond to your movements. Okay, first, the basics. To steer left and right, move your head from side to side. EyeToy Antigrav tracks your face, so try not to tilt your head too much. To brake, stretch both your arms straight out to the side. Your first exercise will be to steer through the tokens ahead of you. Once you hit enough of them, we'll move on. Try it now. You're getting it, there's only 4 more to go. Oh yeah! Only 1 more to go. Don't give up, you'll get it. Very good. For extra speed, you can use your turbo. This is the turbo meter. When the turbo meter is showing green, you could trigger a turbo boost. The turbo meter is always refilling. Landing tricks will get it to refill faster. To trigger the turbo boost, bend your knees and crouch. Go ahead and try to trigger the turbo now. Yeah! You're rocking now. Great! Soon you'll be a hoverboard master. Let's move on. Use your skills to steer onto the green rail. Rails are a great way for you to easily get from one place to another. Once you're on a rail, you can't get off until the rail ends. You can reach out with your hands to hit targets, which can increase your speed and give you points. You can also jump and duck to avoid obstacles. Let's start with targets. You need to keep your hand out and line it up with the target. Keep your hand steady and you'll smash it as you ride by. You have to hit 5 targets to move on. Go ahead. Nice! There you go! That's it! Good! Now it gets a little more interesting. Targets are placed on both sides of the rail in high, middle, and low positions in colored groups called combos. If you hit all the targets in a combo, you get a bonus, which will give you tons of points in style mode, or a big speed boost in speed mode. Try to hit 3 target combos. Good luck! Now you're getting it! All right, Rockstar. Nice! There you go. Great, the next set of targets will alternate from side to side. To reach these targets, make sure to reach only 1 arm out at a time. Let's see what you got. Now you're getting the hang of it. That's it. Now you're getting the hang of it. Smoking! Awesome. Be on the lookout for obstacles that you need to jump over or duck under. Jumping and ducking on rails is pretty easy. To duck, you gotta bend your knees and crouch. To jump, you gotta jump. Pretty self-explanatory. You'll need to jump pretty early to clear the obstacle. Remember to move your head. Just moving your feet is not gonna cut it. Let's try out some jumps and ducks now. Nice! You need to jump pretty early to avoid the obstacle. There you go. Well done. On rails, you'll also want to keep an eye out for special rail switch targets. Hitting them will activate cool shortcuts and potential bonuses. Give this rail one last try. It has a little bit of everything on it. When you're ready to move on, activate the rail switch by completing the rail switch combo. Let's see what you can do. Remember, you need to jump pretty early to avoid the obstacle. Great, we're almost finished and you're almost out of here. The glowing object ahead of you, it's a launch pad. Riding over a launch pad will boost you up into the air so you can fly. When in the air, you want to aim for the rings. Steering in the air is pretty simple. Stand straight up to steer upward, bend your knees to steer downward. A slight crouch will keep you straight and level. You can also steer left and right by moving your head, just like on the ground. Remember, it's easier to steer if you don't move your head too much. When you hit enough rings, we'll move on. Go for it. Solid. You got it. Great job. Now hold on. Okay, the last thing you need to know is how to pull off tricks. Doing tricks when you get the chance is the key to racking up tons of points in style mode, or refilling your turbo in speed mode. When you get some air from a ramp or drop-off, move your arms in specific patterns while in the air to trigger all kinds of tricks. You can stack the tricks on one another for crazy trick combos. Remember, you need to be in the air in order to execute a trick. Let's start with an easy trick. Sweeping your right hand in an arc from low to high will execute a caveman roll to the left. You have to be in the air to start a trick, so wait until you leave the ramp to raise your arm. To land the trick, stop moving your arms. Give it a try now. Wait until you lift off to start your trick. Right on! If you move your arms around quickly after starting the trick, you'll increase its speed. But be careful, you need to stop moving before you hit the ground or else you'll crash. Let's try another trick. To do a backflip, you need to swing both of your arms in an arc from low to high. All right, let's see what you can do. Great! Looks like you've got the hang of it. Consult the EyeToy Antigrav manual for more tricks, although I'm sure you'll figure out some sick combos on your own. So that's it! You are now ready to play EyeToy Antigrav. Have fun and good luck! Don't break